Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. If you're an e-commerce entrepreneur, a marketer, or someone who's interested in staying ahead of the competition, you're in for a treat. We're going to introduce you to the ultimate product research spy tool that is a game changer in the world of online advertising. Number 1. Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest product research. First and foremost, let's talk about Minea Adspy that has incredible ability to spy on ads that promoted in Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. Minea Adspy uncovers the hidden secrets of successful ad campaigns on these platforms. You'll gain unparalleled insights into the ad strategies that work. Audience targeting mastery. Discover the art of audience targeting by dissecting the demographics, interests, and behaviors of your competitors' audiences. Ad creatives and copy analysis. Analyze ad creatives and copy that resonate with users. It's like having a creative director at your disposal. Number 2. Online store espionage. But we don't stop at just social platforms. We take it a step further with our online store espionage feature. Product catalogs unveiled. Imagine having access to your competitors' product catalogs. You can see which products are selling like wildfire, their pricing strategies, and more. Number 3. Sales tracking. We're not just about spying, we're about results. Our tool can also track the number of sales inside any online store. Sales data insights. Get real-time insights into sales trends. You'll know exactly which products are flying off the virtual shelves and making the most profit. Number 4. Influencer insights. And there's more. Our tool is your gateway to the world of influencers. Influencer campaigns revealed. Uncover which influencers are promoting products in your niche. You can gain inspiration from their campaigns and even collaborate with them. In conclusion, our product research tool is a complete package that lets you spy on social media ads, delve into online stores, track sales, and gain insights from influential figures. It's the ultimate shortcut to e-commerce success. To learn more about our product research tool and explore these features in detail, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.